Bonus guy. Let me tell you. About 140 years ago, I cut a really early album, and when I came to Northern America, oh, don't you love that? Actually, when I was down in America, one of the first songs I heard was from that album on the radio in the car that I was travelling in, and I was beside myself with like excitement. Down the window. That's me on the radio! That's me! It was such a trip. I think if I ever got played on the radio again, I'd have the same reaction. Hey! I'm 57, it's me on the radio, listen. Fucking great. Come on, Clear Channel, put some good fucking music on the radio. Anyway. Well, you can forget all the other artists, just put me on the radio, alright? This is the title track from that album, it's called The Man Who Sold the World.